Hey guys, Assalamu Alaikum. You're watching Aniket Khan and I'm Abir Khan. And yeah, you're right. I'm wearing the same old shirt because I didn't take a bath today. This is day 48 of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about haters. So who are haters? Before uploading videos on YouTube, I didn't think that there is someone which you call as your hater. Because I thought that there are a few people who don't agree with your opinions, but they shouldn't be called as your haters. Because you're not that of a big deal to have haters. But nowadays I realize that there are a few people who really hates yourself. I mean personally targeting at your ego and targeting at what you are doing. Maybe because of they simply don't like what you do, or maybe because they hate the fact that you are a big deal on internet. So everybody here who uploads videos on YouTube have haters. So what they actually do, they don't argue with you. They just simply dislike your videos, and above all, they post hating comments. But I really don't mind that. But I really hate those haters who really just don't show themselves up. I mean, they will dislike your videos and never show up. And that's what a real haters do to your videos. But what's my take on haters is simply if someone is trying to bring you down, that means that you are above them. And that's it. But the good point of YouTube is you get to interact with those haters and the people who don't like you or who don't really care about your stuff or even hate your stuff, which is not possible on other social media websites like Facebook or Twitter. Maybe to some extent, but not like YouTube. The other thing that I consider about haters is that how often do they upload videos? Because if your hater regularly uploads videos, then there is a big chance that he might know that what it takes to record video, edit them and upload it to YouTube. So if I see haters commenting on my videos, I don't argue with them. If they comment directly on my race or anything related to my personal beliefs, I simply delete them. On the other hand, if they comment that they don't like my videos and they think that I don't put much effort in my videos, then I consider them and I don't delete those comments and I reply to them. But it really hurts when someone calls you something that you are not, and then when you go to his or her channel, you'll see that there is no video uploaded and there is a scam person. I mean, a person who is completely a troll, a 6-year troll who is trolling your videos all the time. So before hating on haters, I consider a few things that I told. And that's how I deal with my haters. And if you think that this is not the right way to deal with haters, leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Aniket Khan signing out. Peace. Hey guys, this is Abir and you're watching Aniket Khan. This is day 47th of our vlog